to launch release brake. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. That was my first time ever using launch control. Oh, shit. I know this ain't the comparing the two video where we compare launch control versus not using launch control, but listen.
Linda, listen.
I've had this car here for almost 2 years now, right? And I've never used launch control. This is the car I'm referring to for anybody that doesn't know. Today we about to use that launch control. We about to see what's good. First things first, I'm low on gas as usual. You know, it's a reoccurring thing in this vehicle, as you guys know, those of you who have this type of vehicle. So I'm gonna go to the gas station, get a little gas, and then after that, we going straight to Mexico, baby. And we're gonna test out this launch control. I've never used it. Obviously, I've done dig races and things of that nature. I just never have been intrigued by the launch control. You know what I'm saying? It kind of takes a little while to use it, and then like I've seen videos on it and it seems kind of confusing. But we're gonna test it out and see if it's even worth it. I'm gonna show you guys how to use launch control in this one. And my boy over there wilding. In another video, we'll probably do like a comparison to see what's better, launch control or, you know, just regularly launching it yourself. That looks like my neighbor's car right there on the side of the road. I wonder if it is. I'm gonna have to text her, make sure she's alright, make sure that ain't her. And there goes that gas light. If you have this vehicle or a vehicle like it, you know, like when you hit the gas on a car like this, you're gonna see the gauge like do this. It just comes with the territory with these cars. Can't be doing too much more of that. It says range 18 miles, but that'll go down real quick. I actually was gonna make this video a few weeks back. If y'all seen my video I made, in the video I told you guys I was gonna make this video, if that makes any sense. Like, it made sense saying it, but when I was gonna make it, I was on my old tires, my LouieXIIIs, and you know, holy shit, what in the world they got going on right here? People do not know how to enter a freeway, or get the hell out of the way of people entering the freeway. I was gonna make that video, and my LouieXIIIs, they weren't having it, man. That's when I found out that they were well past due for a change. So luckily, going to do that video and failing at it, you know, caused me to go up under and feel underneath there, and I felt the wire on the front right tire. And if you guys seen the video, you know, like it was pretty damn bad. So yeah, Thankfully I didn't drive around too much longer with those because it could have ended bad. But anyways, this is the second attempt at filming that video, and I'm pretty sure we'll do all right today because it's actually an all right day. It's 62 degrees outside, which isn't bad at all. It's been pretty damn cold lately, especially for Cali. It's been big hoodie season. So with that being said, it's only right, man, if you guys are interested in the 1391 merch and apparel, we got the hoodies, we got the sweats, we got the shirts and the long sleeves and the sweaters and a lot of stuff, man. We got bomber jackets, we got a whole lot of stuff. So if you guys are interested in any of that and you want to support the kid, that's there for you. Link down below in the description. Woo. Alright, so we are pretty much in Mexico. Basically, you know, we could start right here. That way I ain't got to explain it while I'm stopped. We could just get to what I got to do. You got to go into the SRT dashboard, right? And then you go to race options. And right here's where you see line lock, launch control. You got the shift light. Obviously what we're going for is launch control. And this, damn, what the hell is all that? All right, we're gonna try it out right now. Let's see how it works. Activate launch control. I'm gonna try it at 1200 RPM. So basically right here it says to launch, steering wheel must be straight. All right, steering wheel straight. To launch, press brake and quickly apply throttle. So you want to quickly apply the throttle. So don't just half-ass it. Like, to launch, release brake. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Yo. We might be working with something, y'all. I don't know, it was a little, it felt weird, like, I don't know, it was a little delay or something. I don't know what that was all about, but it actually worked quite well, not gonna lie. Try it again real quick. Mad at that. Let's try. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit right now and see what we could do. Let's turn it up. Let's add a little sauce. Not too much. Let's try 1200, 200. Well, let's try 15. Or yeah, let's try 15 because it did seem like it wanted to get a little loose. So I did like feather the throttle a little bit. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I don't like that. Oh, shit. I know this ain't the comparing the two video where we compare launch control versus not using launch control, but I'm liking that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. The only thing I don't like is the little like jolt it gives you in the beginning. I don't know, it gives me a feeling like that can't be good for the car. I don't know why, but it gives me like a little feeling like it doesn't feel good for the car for some reason. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Obviously they put this feature in here, so can't be that bad. Let's try 2000. Let's try it. We here, right? There we go. success, people. Hey, I'm coming for all you motherfuckers, man. Hey, anybody that wants to get a dig in, hit me up ASAP. Alright? Nah, I'm just playing, but that worked exceptionally well. That worked exceptionally well. Now I'm excited to break out the draggy and see what type of times we could get, because when we do the video where we test using launch control versus not using launch control, we gonna bring out that draggy, you know? It's only right. But yeah, that's how you use launch control though. That was my first time ever using launch control. The first time I used it, I didn't do it correctly. The first time I tried to use it, I should say, I didn't push down on the gas like that. So I didn't actually use launch control. I just pretty much launched it myself. I've never launched, well, maybe I've launched close to 2,000 RPMs before. Let's try one more. I got anyone behind me? We'll try one more. Let's turn up the heat a little bit. We'll go to 2,500 and see what we could do. All right. Well, that didn't work. The fuck? Got me over here burning out and shit. That didn't work. And I've seen that happen to people where they try to use launch control and it tries to get them to burn out. And I didn't do a burnout because I have my traction control still on. And I ain't trying to do a burnout because I just got these tires. So one, I'm impressed with the launch control, and two, I'm impressed with the tires. That launch control kind of, it helps you out a little bit, you know. It kind of like feathers the gas for you. So I don't know, it's gonna be interesting to see if I can do better than the launch control when we do that video. So yeah, man, this wasn't meant to be a very long video. I just wanted to try it out, show you guys how to use it. I don't know what I'm gonna title it now, because it kind of, I did show you guys how to use it, but it kind of sounds like a review as well. So I kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna title it how to use launch control review, first time using launch control. See, that's the thing, man. When you do YouTube, you gotta really consider which one's gonna hit the most, you know, which one the algorithm is gonna pick up the most. I would say drop a comment down below and let me know what title I should use, but by the time I put this out, obviously that won't be of any use to me. So but I can say, you can drop a comment down below and let me know what title I should have used. Let me know if I used the right title, or let me know what title you would have went with. And if there's somebody out there that's good with titles that doesn't want to get paid, hit me up, man. Hit the DMs, you know what I'm saying? Give me some free titles. Nah, usually I'm all right with the titles, but sometimes you question yourself, you know, like, damn, did I use the right one? And thumbnails, like, that's the most important part, is the titles and the thumbnails, along with the video. Obviously has to be entertaining or useful or a combination, you know. So a lot that goes into this YouTube stuff. Hey, should we get a little canyon run in, man? You know, this is the little road that I go down to hit the canyon runs. Nah, we ain't gonna do that today. Can't be doing that all the time, you know. Gotta make these tires last. I'm very impressed with the launch control. I'm very impressed with the new tires. If you want to know what tires I'm running, go check out that video that I just dropped. I dropped a video getting them installed, and I dropped a video on like the initial review. And at that point, I mean, I'm still breaking them in, so that was really just the initial review when they hadn't even been really broken in yet. I'm still breaking them in. They're feeling quite tremendous at the moment. You know, we took them on a canyon run and all that, so if you guys want to see that, go check it out. Other than that, all links are down below in the description for anything you guys might need. The 1391 merchant apparel, I already told you about that. The gaming channel, if you guys are into it. Everything I use and recommend on the channel, I feel like I already said that, but I'll say it again just in case. A aside from that, I appreciate you guys as always. Much love to you guys. Hopefully you guys are doing great out there, in great health, spirit, energy, awareness, consciousness, all the good stuff. Much love to you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Until then, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.